So good afternoon everyone. Our topic for this lesson is about corollary 4.50. And I will give you some example. X cubed plus x squared plus 29 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. So we will find the x. And this x meaning ilang beses natin isa-substitute for our given. And the formula for x is m minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So we will start our x in 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first, isa-substitute natin ang 0 sa ating given, which is the 3 cubed plus x squared plus 29. So 0 cubed plus 0 squared plus 29 is equal to 0 plus 29 is equal to 29. So we divide it in our modulo 5, and our remainder is 4, which is not congruent to 29. Next is x is equal to 1. 1 cubed plus 1 squared plus 29 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 29 is equal to 31. And we divide it in our modulo 5. So 31 divided by 5, our remainder is 1, which is not congruent to 1. So next is x is equal to 2. So 2 cubed plus 2 squared plus 29 is equal to, so 3 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 29 is equal to 41. We divide it in modulo 5, and our remainder is 1, which is not congruent. Next is x is equal to 3. So 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 29 is equal to, so 65. We divide it in our modulo 5, and our remainder is 0, which is congruent. So kompletuhin natin, x is equal to 4. 4 cubed plus 4 squared plus 29 is equal to, so 4 cubed is equal to 64 plus 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 29 is equal to 109. We divided in our modulo, and our remainder is 4, which is not congruent. So we can see that x is equal to 3 is the congruent to 0 modulo 5. So that is what we call solving polynomials congruence, and this is the way that we can apply the corollary 4.15. So kukuhanin muna natin ang f of x, isa-substitute natin. So our given is x cubed plus x squared plus 29 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. So, ang ating sasubstitute ay ating x is equal to 3. So, 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 29 is equal to 65. Then, kukunin muna natin ang f prime of x and i-derivative natin ang given. 3 cubed, ang derivative niya is 3x squared plus ang derivative ng x squared ay 2x. So, substitute ulit natin. 3 times 3 squared plus 2 times 3. So, 3 times 3 squared is equal to 27 plus 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 27 plus 6 is equal to 33. And di-divide ulit natin. Modulo 5. And ang remainder is 3. And then, 5 divided by 33 minus 3 is equal to 30, which is nag-exact ang ating answer sa ating x is equal to 3. For our next example, so x cubed plus 4x plus 17 is congruent to 0 modulo 2. So, kukuhanin ulit natin ang ating x. X is equal to m minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, mag-start tayo. So, 0 to 1. So, substitute ulit natin. X is equal to 0. So, 0 cubed plus 4 times 0 plus 17. So, 0 plus 0 plus 17 is equal to 17. We divided it in modulo 2. So, our remainder is 1, which is not congruent. So, next is x is equal to 1. So, 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 plus 17 is equal to 22. And we divided that again to modulo 2, and our remainder is 0, which is congruence. So, sorry for the mistake. Congruence po yun. Di po equal. So, x is equal to 1 na po ang ating isa-substitute. So, hahanapin naman po natin ang ating f of x. So, our f of x is equal to x cubed plus 4x plus 17 is congruent to 0 modulo 2. So, we substitute it again. 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 plus 17 is equal to, so, 22 is our answer. So, kukuhanin naman natin ang f prime of x. So, 3 cube, ang derivative ng 3 cube is 3x squared. Plus, ang derivative ng 4x is 4. So, substitute again. 3 times 1 squared plus 4 is equal to 3 times 1 plus 4 is equal to 7. We divide it in our modulo 2 and our remainder is 1. Then 2. So 2 divided by 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, which is exact.